Alright, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing the Apple AirPod Pros. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, so I'm gonna have to bring you guys just a little bit closer. Alright. So this is a box. Alright, it says AirPod Pro there. Stuff on the back. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this sliding out. Let's see if we can't get this to. I guess it doesn't. Oh, yeah, there we go. Alright, and the first thing we have is some books, manuals, and stuff. Yeah, instructions, stuff like that. Alright, so put that to the side. And we have the buds right away. Oh! Yeah. So let's open it up. And here we have them. The AirPod Pros. It says right here, designed by Apple in California, assembled in Vietnam. Okay. Alright, so let's open these up. And there we have them. Apple AirPod Pros. Before we get into those, let's see. Alright. So, as I was saying, before we get into these, let's go ahead and see what's in the box, the rest of the box. Alright, so it gives us a little pull tab here. Let's pull on out. And we get some lightning to USB-C charging cable. Alright. Nice presentation from Apple. And we get some extra ear tips. Let's see. How do we? It's like, yeah. Okay. I think it's. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, it says this side. Kind of just lift up and lift over, and these are the extra ear tips. We got small and we got large. All right. Cool. Let's go ahead and put that back in. And yeah, that's it for the box. Alright, cool. So that's everything that comes. Let's try to put everything back together. This is first. Headphone, cable. Boom. We got this. Boom. Wait, wrong side. So we turn the cable just a little bit like that. Yeah. Okay. Put this back in. Boom. Alright, boom. So that's good. Let's keep these out. Like in this right here. Let's put on back the brick. Let's close it. We're closing it wrong, but yeah, spin it around. And let's close this. Boom. Perfect. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing. These Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it. These are the headphones. Let me take them out and show you exactly how they look outside of the case. Alright, so these are the headphones. Alright, let's put them back in. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, my name's Davaskye and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Davaskye out.